Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, April 8th. We're looking at window traders, market profile of the S&NQ. Well, I don't know if it was because of the eclipse, because they're waiting for CPI and Fed minutes, or what they're waiting for, but the market, after a tremendous move on Thursday, $11, did $6.50 on Friday. And today we go down to $2.20 in SPY. That's the third time we've hit $2.20. So it's in our top 10 smallest ranges of the year. And right now, we're definitely going to be in the top 10 lowest volumes. I don't think it will be the lowest, though. Another thing very interesting, this is the third time already this year, and in only 67 trading days into the year, that ES did not get an overnight. Last year, out of 250 trading days, that only happened 5 times. So we already done it 3 times this year. Very interesting. We go out with a 10-wide POC and a double inside day. I sound like Animal House, double secret probation. So ES and NQ, double inside days. You realize all we've done, all of Friday, all of today, was trade those 4 time frames from Thursday. That's it. JKL and some of M. Not even all of them. That's all we've done for 2 full days. So the high volatility only lasted for 2 days right now. However, with the market tightening like this is week 7 of NQ being in balance on the weekly. This is the beginning of week 4 for us. I don't think this is going to last. So even though now I had a really good A, B, and C period. I had the pleasure of having one of my traders visit me today, spend a day with me. Going to go out to dinner with him tonight. Not much happened in the afternoon, but prior to him coming, I had a very good A, B, and C period. Mostly at NQ. Now, once NQ got that overnight low, I was looking for shorts. The first trade of the day was a long. I thought they would front run the overnight low. They didn't, but I still got paid. Took out the overnight low and then reversed. So I took a long there in NQ when it got down. But once it got the overnight low, every push up, I was looking for an ebb and flow short. We were below the opening. We were below the 144. So I thought every push-up was worth a short. And I did well on that. Same in B period. Then in C period, we would trend up. We had single prints in B and C in ES and NQ. So I took a small long in ES against that. Made a point very small on that. The one trade I missed was in D period. When D period came and filled the single prints in C and B, that was a good risk reward long in ES. It stayed above the opening, stayed above the 144 simple moving average. Now, it never went back and made a new high, but it did push you up off that level where it would have been a nice trade. Then my company came and we went and got lunch, sat outside. It was nice out. Nothing was happening in the market. We came back. We were discussing things. There were definitely some trades in ES. The market couldn't get above B's high or value high, so you could have faded GHI and J and got paid on them. NQ also never got above the opening. ES went through the opening a lot today. Total lack of conviction, but NQ stayed below the opening a good part of the afternoon. But there wasn't really much afterwards. And righty gapped higher, filled the gap, and 10 wide, and ES doesn't get either overnight, righty doesn't get either IB. And one other thing, we have a poor high in ES for the second day in a row. So things are going to change. Now remember, there's not much out tomorrow either. Remember I said if we come out of an inside day from Friday, make sure you monitor for continuation or lack of. We didn't even come out of it. So I'm going to preach the same thing going into tomorrow. We could get good legs up or down, but you better make sure you monitor for continuation or lack of. As far as destinations go, I didn't even write down Well, the upside in SPY is 520.18. But first our POC, because our POC will be an upside, and I never wrote it down. It is 519.04. It's 10 wide in SPY. Then we have the high of 520.18. We have today's low of 517.98. In ES, 68.75 is the high. The POC is 57. The low is 45 and a quarter. And then on the chart, just quickly, just going to show you the daily. So, huge day on Thursday. Nice size on Friday. Minuscule today. Again, for those of you who didn't see my video this morning, real quickly, I put a trend line from November of 2023 because that's where the market really broke out from again to its all-time highs on that one huge gap. We had big gaps down here to the upside, but they were still below this level where we gapped lower from here. So it wasn't until this day. So we'll see what kind of continuation we get going forward. Hope you had a good day trading. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.